Understanding the signs of depression is crucial for early intervention and support. This video will highlight 10 key indicators to help you or someone you know recognize when it might be time to seek help. Depression is a serious mental health condition that can affect anyone, regardless of age, background, or life circumstances. It's more than just feeling sad. It's a persistent state that interferes with daily life. It's important to understand that depression is a real illness, not a sign of weakness. It's caused by a combination of genetic, biological, environmental, and psychological factors. Recognizing the signs of depression is the first step towards recovery. The sooner it's identified, the sooner effective treatment can begin, preventing the condition from worsening. Let's start by looking at the emotional signs of depression, which are often the most noticeable indicators. One of the most common signs is a persistent sad, anxious, or empty mood that lasts for at least 2 weeks. You might find yourself losing interest or pleasure in activities you once enjoyed, like hobbies, sports, or spending time with loved ones. This is known as anhedonia. Increased irritability, restlessness, or anxiety are also common. You might feel agitated or easily annoyed, even by small things. Feelings of worthlessness, guilt, or helplessness are deeply unsettling. You might feel like a failure or blame yourself for problems that aren't your fault. Next, let's explore the behavioral and physical signs that can indicate depression. Changes in sleep patterns are very common. This could mean insomnia, sleeping too much, or waking up frequently during the night. Significant changes in appetite or weight, either an increase or decrease, can be a sign. Some people lose their appetite entirely, while others find comfort in overeating. A persistent decrease in energy or fatigue, even after a full night's sleep, is another indicator. You might feel drained and lethargic most of the time. Difficulty concentrating, remembering details, or making decisions can affect daily functioning. You might struggle to focus at work or on simple tasks. Social withdrawal or isolation is a common coping mechanism. You might avoid social gatherings, pull away from friends and family, and prefer to be alone. If you or someone you know experiences thoughts of self-harm or suicide, it is crucial to seek immediate help. These thoughts are a serious symptom of severe depression and should never be ignored. Recognizing these signs in yourself or others is the first critical step toward recovery. It's important to remember that depression is treatable. If you identify with several of these signs, seeking professional help is highly recommended. A mental health professional can provide an accurate diagnosis and develop a suitable treatment plan, which may include therapy, medication, or both. Support from friends and family, coupled with self-care practices like exercise, healthy eating, and mindfulness, can significantly aid recovery. You are not alone, and help is available.